Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a sketch drawing form a photo. Duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now go to Hue and Saturation and decrease the saturation to -100%. Now click on Layer 1 and make a blending option to color dodge. Now inverse your image by pressing Ctrl+I. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make your radius to 29 pixels. Now this time go to Levels. Now press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E. Now make a level 1 layer active. And make sure your foreground color is black. Select Brush tool and make hardness 0% and brush size 400. And opacity between 30 to 40%. As you can see, the hair area is too dense. So simply brush it over the hair area. Now make layer 2 active. And make your foreground color white and select Brush tool. Make your hardness 0% and opacity to 30%. Then brush over the dense area. In this way you can change your photo into digital sketch. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our YouTube channel.